Hello students. In this module, I'll be talking about what is a flower, right? We'll introduce what is a flower and I'll also talk about the structure of the flower. You pretty much know this part from last year, okay? Now, look, listen and learn. Okay, look behind me. Wow, how many beautiful flowers we can see in nature. Can we not? We could see a rose, right? We could see a lotus, we can see lupin, we can see lilies, and right behind me, we can see beautiful tulips, right? So I can say that in a flowering plant, the most amazing part is a flower. Is that okay? Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, moving on. Now what you see here is these flowers have got beautiful, attractive colors, right? So it is very important that a flower should exhibit a wide range of colors. Not just colors. What else attracts us to a flower? Absolutely the beautiful scent of a flower. Yes or no? So we can say that it also exhibits sweet scents, what attracts us to the flower, right? Not just this. A flower is also known to produce sweet nectar, right? Especially for insects, this is very attracting to aid in pollination. So we can say these beautiful colors and these beautiful scent that it produces as well as the nectar, these are all agents that are going to help the flower in sexual reproduction. Yes or no? Absolutely. Not just this, flower basically for us serves many purposes in day-to-day life. We can use a flower for ornamental purpose, especially to decorate our gardens, right? Or our backyard, right? Flowers can also be used for cultural purposes. Flowers can also be used for social purposes like wedding and other gatherings. And last but not least, we use flowers every time there is a religious need. Yes, whether it is a function in a temple or a church or a mosque, we use a lot of flowers for religious purpose too, right? So flowers serves us several purposes. Absolutely true? Absolutely true. Moving on. Now remember that there is also a wide range in the structure of inflorescence as well as flower and floral parts. Now what does this ensure? This basically will ensure the formation of fruit and seeds, right? That inflorescence right there will develop into a beautiful fruit of pineapple, whereas these flowers and the floral parts up here will turn into beautiful fruits of chili, right? And the seeds, right? So you know that the end product of sexual reproduction is nothing but fruits and seeds. Yes? Okay. Moving on, let us look at the structure of a flower. Now what you have here is a beautiful drawing of a flower, right? Let us first define what is a flower. Now once again, if you remember back from the 11th standard, that a flower can be defined as a highly evolved or a modified shoot specially designed for sexual reproduction. You guessed it right. Now I use the word highly modified shoot. Where is that shoot? That shoot is right here. So this modified shoot with condensed internodes is called as thalamus or the receptacle. You guessed it right. Now on this thalamus, right, you know that the internodes are highly reduced, which means there are going to be nodes here. Now on these nodes, you will basically see very important 4 whorls of the flower. Is it okay? So on the nodes, you will find 4 floral whorls. Can you recollect the name of these whorls? Let us try. 2 of them are called as accessory whorls. Can you name them? Let us see. That one outside is called as the calyx. And remember, the calyx is made up of sepals. You got it right. The beautiful colored one up there is called as the corolla. Absolutely. And the corolla is made up of petals, right? Both calyx and corolla are called as accessory whorls. Now there are 2 more whorls which are called as essential whorls. And these essential whorls are, you know them, and they are the androecium, which is made up of stamens. Absolutely right. And then finally in the center, the innermost whorl is called as the gynoecium, which is made up of carpels. You got that right too. Now here for sexual reproduction, we are interested only in the essential whorls. Is that okay? More. The androecium is also called as the male reproductive whorl, and that's why I've shown the symbol of a male there. While the gynoecium is also called as the female reproductive whorl, and that is why I've shown you the symbol of a female here. Is it okay? In the future modules, we'll be discussing more about the androecium and the gynoecium because these are the male and the female reproductive whorls that are involved in the process of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Is that okay? So in this module, I've introduced to you what is the thing called as beautiful flower and where all we can use it, and also I've talked about the structure of the flower. In the next module, I'll be talking a little bit more about the stamen and the carpel, and I will also tell you the basic stages or the steps involved in the process of sexual reproduction in angiosperms. Till then, thank you and take care.